Nuakoh, a former international relations officer for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, was joining the radar of Kumasi Asante Kotoko CEO position. No, but no, kase wabeto so fourth no make kase a D9 and so far about bontin. A D9 no, a whine na Kwame abeto so 4. Currently, Kwame Nuakoh Juma na Odi, the Juma Odi no, is he ready to take up the Kumasi Asante Kotoko job no? Na wajai ni Juma Odi na be the details. Bro, ofi aha, Super 24 TV. Kumasi Asante Kotoko players ne dey momi enka no kre. Most of them omunye serious. Inti the koba na say coach obefa Kotoko next season no obe break akra. Inti e wo se mpanyifo appoint coach ne ntem. Mpanyifo appoint coach ne ntem a na afeiro wa monitor team no. O monitor team na no who players are on po mo a na wasake omo. De opo omo no wa retain omo no akopa bi abesoso. Na dwumadi na to aso. Wonye sa kokwasa boys na ye no. Say no empty the yes no. Kotoko players they be are playing without any motivation. But me catch all say ye kofa coach bi basisi say ono na ebe Kotoko head coach next season. Into on her boys now. Obi abema ne money moso. Aha a Super 24 TV. Dini and Nazar Hamza. Beat me from the blog man. Asim this year 2 to 3 minutes penny in Chilmuno Ebro. And open a man and TSA. Former international relations officer for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kwame Nuakoh adjoining Kumasi Asante Kotoko CEO rather bed no. I'm penny for and so the diabeton penny for him. Apparently CEO no. My mom for LNK Georgia free. Mr. Johnny Bensu Kumasi or sports journalist. I'm for CM Fat Juman and man on also din abetosu ni yunu. And Nana Ponsan su din a buy. And ne Kwame Nuakoh wa yeni na former international relations officer. Dr. KK Sapon Apenso and Sylvester Tam also. Now oye the PRO for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So in terms of managing Kumasi Asante Kotoko, no, he has seen it all. Mekasa wa joined rather now. Leicester Kotoko him say see you adwuma no. Omo pese omo dem ma. And I say we already say obe apply e be your interview no. No. So far this is how it is going. Otese Kwame amanfo boni din o media no so e manage nwanwa. Because ename no ka say wa join the radar. As to say obe join and as on join no. Emrene Krabia and Ebeche. Kwame a lecturer ewo University of Ghana. I'm told say maybe Kotoko akwanya ne by so ombra. Na emumu no. I say ohun say Kotoko adwuma no 2 years, 3 years no. Na ya pammo and I say adwuma no security guarantee no enhye da nya assured. Ubejai ni university adwuma ade kire no eno no a lifetime I just work retirement no the baba ye Kotoko 2 years 3 years na yakase monko no ebia no wakoye wrong we take wrong decision eno ntia aya na opempen so no. But this time around no, I'm told say in fear no o meet my in 5 years ebia their mama say 5 years they are ready to work eno no it's subjected to negotiations between Kwame Nuakoh and the new border because Kwame Nuakoh so nimdefo or no about Kotoko nsema or them and only information I don't pay and say